General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, we got to do the work. Week 2, Wednesday, the 7th. Today's definitely an expansion day. Engagement day. Medium. All of this time theory conditioning, price delivery, the anchor point confirmed on Monday, and expansion played out. We only looking at NASDAQ. Oh, I was thinking about adding SPY maybe next week, but playing options. Updated the levels with the trend line liquidity now, which I don't think we have to get back to it. See how we left Tuesday and we came right back to it. I don't like this either. It's like a failure swing. So at the failure swing, let's see the opposing liquidity. Down here, retracement lower. This is a serious retracement. It on purpose got back below previous week's high and came back into Tuesday's range. What's the news for tomorrow? unemployment's not going to do anything. But the original idea, buy here to target here, that played out. Thursday usually caps the weekly range, but since it's NFP, we can kind of expect to bounce in between here. And then Friday do the thing, because we got Supreme Court Friday and NFP. Knock this out. Like today's high failed to take out previous month's high. That's a fair sign. For now, we can run or engineer sell side liquidity to gain speed or momentum to take out the highs, really take out previous month high. H1. Yeah, too much like right to come here. This don't really give me. This is a really strong order block, and this expansion, this push down is like overnight. Like I would want a New York order block, not an overnight order block. So maybe run on liquidity, maybe pair orders, put some type of retracement in to buy. I'm interested to buy here. It's because it's the data. This data can't be data highs and lows. It's like key levels. Let me do it like this for target. Still is going to be previous month's high. I'm not going to target this bag. Actually, I could. I like the way it looks. Start the week. This area is like we got a breakaway gap through where we closed the week before. So it's pretty strong. Inefficiency, let's see. Boom. Mm. Right now, sales looks like the mostest. This would be like TP1, TP2. Selling this gap here. And I probably won't even trade because tomorrow's Thursday, but if it's like London or New York, textbook, then maybe we're still stuck in this accumulation. This is very interesting. We failed to lead this. This is a weekly accumulation that we just been stuck in. We might just mean reversion, purge. Can't believe we didn't get this, but purge and revert. We left equal highs here. I'm not interested in anything in this area at all. Looking for a sell to buy in London in the New York reversal. Pattern played out. What did we learn about narrative? Trust my analysis. We're in the trade the day before. What I watch for tomorrow? I don't know why this thing is not like my left mouse button is not working. What I watch for tomorrow? For sales. Opposing liquidity. See? So I'm looking for a stop hunt day. See the H4 tonight. H4 don't look that bad. Look at all these highs. This looks even better for OLR, taking out that low and paying orders in this gap. This would be like an H4 breaker block. Breaker. I do like that. Come down here and then buy back up. But for now, just sell. All right, that's that on that. Let me make sure I finished everything. All right, I got some more work to do. Y'all have a good day.